Welcome to the channel, My Wallet Hurts. And today on the channel, we have gotten two blaster boxes of Topps basketball. This is the officially licensed Topps flagship basketball. These blasters can be found at Walmart. That's where I got mine today. These are the 2025-2026 edition, and you're looking for autograph and relic cards. There's exclusive season tip parallels and info if you want it. They don't put it on the side of the boxes like they used to. 7 packs per box, 12 cards per pack. And we're going to dig into a box and see what exactly is inside. Now, I'm not getting any hobby boxes of this stuff yet. If you haven't seen it, this basically looks like the Topps Baseball 2025 design, which in chrome I think looks pretty cool. Is going to look pretty neat. Let's see what we get. You can find autographs, you can find relic cards, and the gentleman on the front of the box is Mr. Cooper Flagg for Dallas. He is your chase rookie for this product. I don't do a whole lot of basketball. I'll get some every now and then, just if I'm feeling squirrely. So let's start out with... Sorry, we had to adjust our lighting there. We were having some lighting issues. We are starting with a rookie card of Rasheer Fleming. Now, these cards, as you can see, these are like the flagship baseball, same design. So we have a rookie card of Asa Newell, Kevin Garnett. We have Stephen Kerr, Jaren Jackson Jr., Trey Young, Brandon Williams. We have Pascal Siakam, Zach LaVine. We have Pure Magic, Paolo and Suggs Sizzle. And we have a backwards card, which is a parallel of Oso Agadero. It's one of the parallels. And Tyler Smith. And I think that is the, I forget the name of it now. Net parallel or something like that. And we have, let's set these over here. We have Cam Thomas, Dyson Daniels, Noah, rookie card, Hugo Gonzalez, rookie card, Max Struss, Jordan Hawkins, Bub Carrington, Young Bulls, tough play, and we have a Michael Bridges insert parallel, silvered. We have a Colin Murray Boyles rookie players insert card. It's kind of neat looking. Colin Murray Boyles. That's neat. That'll look nice in chrome. And then we have our parallel insert rookie card of Igor Demon and Klay Thompson. Now, I'm not probably going to get any more of this. I'll get 2 blasters. For me, that's enough. I don't collect basketball like I used to when I was younger. That's just me and my preference. I'll get some every now and then, though. But Cam Jones rookie card. Tyrese Proctor rookie card. Shaquille O'Neal in his Orlando uni. Danny Wolf rookie card. Nolan Traore rookie card. Jalen Pickett. Wolves bring home energy. Protect home court. Ant-Man. D'Angelo Russell. Chet Holmgren. 8-Bit Ballers. John Morant. 8-Bit Bowlers. Mike Conley and Tyler Hero. So let's take a look at this 8-Bit Bowlers insert. Kind of like a 8-bit, 16-bit thing of Upper Deck Hockey they do with the players. It's a nice little insert. Pack number 4. And we have Yang Hansen rookie card. Jeremiah Fears rookie card. Ty Jerome. Championship duo leads Nuggets. Grizzly Fight and Claw. A lot of sideways cards. Og Inabi. Denny. Jonathan Mogbo. We have a Carter Bryant silver insert parallel. Or silver insert. Generation Now. Hugo Gonzalez insert card. Now this is kind of a interesting card. It's kind of neat. I like that. And this is an Isaiah Thomas parallel insert. And we have a Jalen Wells. I don't know if you can see it. My lighting in here is really bad. I need to work on that. We're having issues with our light up above. Jalen Wells has the NBA All-Rookie Team 2024-25 logo on the card. It's kind of neat. Clint, and another one of these all-rookie team players. Zachary, Bam, Trey Johnson III, rookie card. Carter Bryant, rookie card. And we have Quentin Post. We have Ron Holland II, Bronny James Jr., Brooke Lopez, LeBron James, 8-bit players. And we have a parallel of Porzingis. It's like a sparkle. And Andrew Wiggins. We have a Ben Seraph rookie card. Ala Martin rookie card. Gigi Jackson. Rick Barry. Kyrie Irving. Miles Bridges. Tari Eason. Donovan Mitchell. We have a Yannick Conan Niedenhauser insert rookie card. And we have a Karl Anthony Towns Power Players insert. Drake Powell rookie card. And Santi Aldama. And last pack, Spud Webb, Will Riley rookie card, Joan Beringer rookie card, VJ Edgecombe rookie card, Trey Murphy, Wendell Carter, Keldon Johnson, Russell Westbrook. We have a Ryan Kalkbrenner rookie card of the top anniversary insert. Generation Now, Walter Clayton Jr. rookie card. We have a Tracy McGrady parallel. And we're closing it out with Tristan Da Silva. So that was our first box. So no jersey cards, relic cards, memorabilia cards, or autographs. As of this morning, apparently the Cooper Flag 1 of 1 was already pulled on a Breakers channel in China, and then there was another 1 of 1 that was an autograph that was pulled in China as well on another Breakers channel. So the Cooper Flag has already popped up. It's already popped up. Didn't take long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs. Let's dig in for this second blaster and see what we get. See if we can get lucky and pull our own Cooper Flag rookie card. Maxime Reynaud, Agawi, Tracy McGrady, Isaiah Thomas, Igor Demon rookie card, Brooke Lopez, Kyrie Irving, Miles Bridges, Eason, Towns, Michael Porter Jr. insert, and Naz Reid. We have Oso, we have Desmond, Isaiah, RJ, PJ, excuse me. Yeah. PJ, Donovan Mitchell, Trey Murphy, Wendell Carter, Keldon Johnson. We have a Ryan Kalkbrenner insert, Ace Bailey 8-Bit Ballers insert, and our Larry Bird foil parallel, Larry the Bird, and Young Teammates. All right, I like Larry Bird. I got his mail through the mail autograph. I sent it to the Indiana Pacers when he was a coach out there. We have an Ace Bailey rookie card, Sion James rookie card, Jameer Watkins rookie card, my man Magic Johnson. All right, all is good with the world. Peyton Watson, Russell Westbrook, a Heat Catch Fire, Tyler Hero, and we have a Julius Randle, Youth Jazz Play Hard. We have a Colin Murray Boyles Clutch City Prospects rookie card insert. We have Darius Garland, and we have Andrew for the Pacers. Okay. We have Miles McBride. We have Noah Penda rookie card. Brooks Barnheiser rookie card. We have Allen Iverson. The Answer. Allen The Answer Iverson. AJ Green. Sabonis. Miles Turner. Ryan Dunn. We have a Danny Wolf rookie card insert. Archived. 8-Bit Ballers, Cade Cunningham. We have a De'Aaron Fox parallel. And we close out that pack with DeMar DeRozan. not bad. They're not bad. Like I said, I'd like to see how these turn out into in the Chrome series. I might get a box of the Chrome series basketball. I might. That's a keyword. Might. Jade McDaniels, Jaconius rookie card, Kalkbrenner rookie card, Jalen Williams, Derek Lively, Marcus, Devin, Mateus, Ben Simmons. We have a Generation Now insert, VJ Edgecombe, and parallel Jalen Tyson and Jaden Ivey. We have, oh, there it is. We hit it. Wasn't expecting it, but we hit it. Cooper Flag rookie card. Very nice. It's always nice when you pull something you're not expecting. You hope for it, but makes it really nice when you pull it. So there we go. We have a Cooper Flag rookie card. And there you have it. Mr. Cooper Flag. So we were flag hunting and we got one. Very good. We have Derek Queen rookie card. We have Mr. Clifford. We have Mr. Peavy rookie card. We have Paul George, Isaiah Collier, Jalen Wilson, Scoot Henderson. We have a Derek Queen rookie card insert parallel. Giannis Power Players. We have a Con Nepule rookie card. And Jared Vanderbilt. And last pack. Carmelo Anthony, Bernard King, Manu, Common, Baylor, SGA. We have Kings Have Fun Hooping. We have Cat. Ooh, we have Julius Irving, 76ers insert. We have Carter Bryant, rookie card, 8-bit player, ballers. And we have Dylan Brooks. And we close it out with Emmanuel Quickly. And there you have it. There is a 2 blaster box break of 25-26 Topps basketball that is now officially licensed. Yeah. So I like them. I like the design. It's kind of, like I said, it's the design of the 2025 baseball, Topps baseball. So, but it's not bad. It's not bad. Not bad at all. A fun little break. A lot of rookie cards. I have to go through and see who's who. As I have not familiarized myself with this year's past basketball draft class, who's all rookies and stuff. So, but thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you can find something for your collection. Remember, you want to work within a budget and share it with your family and friends. Show them what you have and be proud of it. Have fun with it. Hope you have a good day, and we'll catch you on the next break. Thanks for stopping by.